Hello children, we are learning lesson 5 in computer. Lesson name is operating a computer. Operating a computer. O-P-E-R-A-T-I-N-G. Operating a C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Operating a computer. In previous class I taught you how to start a computer. How to start a computer. So you have to follow these steps. 4 steps you have to follow. Okay. What? First one is switch on the main power supply button. First, switch on the main power supply button. Switch on the UPS button. If the electricity goes off, then UPS makes the computer work. If electricity goes off, then UPS makes the computer work. Third, switch on the power supply button of CPU. Power supply button of the CPU. And last one, fourth, switch on the monitor button and wait for the some time. Fourth is switch on the monitor button and wait for the some time. So after switching on the monitor button, you will get the screen like this. You will find the screen like this. You will find a welcome screen of Windows. This welcome screen is called desktop. Welcome screen is called desktop. The first display screen that appears on starting a computer is known as the desktop. The first display screen is known as the desktop. Okay? The first display screen is known as the desktop. Next, the desktop holds many small labeled pictures is known as the icons. The desktop holds many small pictures is known as the icons. The first display screen is called the desktop and the desktop holds many small pictures is known as the icons. Clear? Here extreme left side at the bottom side there is start button. Start button. Using this button we can open any program. And it is called taskbar. Taskbar. At the bottom of the screen, at the bottom of the desktop, there is one thin bar. It is known as the taskbar. Clear? Now, today we are going to learn starting a program. Starting a program. How to start a program? To open the Word program. Suppose that if we want to open the Word program. Word program. So first what we have to do? To open the Word program, follow the steps given below. Click on the Start button which is given at the bottom of the desktop. Bottom of the desktop and extreme left side. Extreme left side there is a Start button at the bottom of the desktop. So first we have to click on the Start button. First we have to click on the Start button. After that we have to choose all programs. All programs, then Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word 2010. So how to start a program? First click on the Start button which is given on the at the bottom of the desktop extreme left side. Click on the Start button. After that all programs. All programs. After that choose Microsoft Office. When you will click on all programs, after that you will get Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office. Office, you get Microsoft Word 2010. So how to start a program? Click on the start button, choose all programs option. After that choose Microsoft Office, then you have to select Microsoft Word 2010. Is it clear how to start a program? Then after that Microsoft Word window will open. When you will click on Microsoft Word 2010, then Microsoft Word window will be open. Clear? Then when it will be opened, Microsoft Word will open. This one you have understood? One more time, I am going to revise. First, how to start a computer. First step, you have to click on the main power supply button. Second, you have to click on the UPS button, power supply UPS button. Then third, you have to click on the power supply button of CPU. Then you have to click on the power supply button of monitor. You have to click on the monitor button and you have to wait for the some time. After that you will find the screen of window. The first display screen is called desktop. First display screen is called desktop. After starting the computer, you will get a welcome screen. This welcome screen is called desktop. First display screen is called desktop. This desktop holds many small pictures, is known as the icons, and here there is a start button at the bottom side of the desktop and left its extreme side. Okay, extreme left side there is start button and there is thin bar is known as the task bar. Okay, after that we had learned how to start a program. How to start a program? First you have to click on the start button. Click on the start button. After that all programs, then you have to select Microsoft Office and then Microsoft Word 2010. After that Microsoft Word window will open. Microsoft Word window will open. After clicking on Microsoft Word 2010, Microsoft Word window will open. Here please keep it in your book. So the first, this topmost blue bar. The topmost blue bar of the Microsoft Word window is known as the title bar. When you will click on Microsoft Word 2010, the Microsoft Word window will open. After that, this topmost blue bar, it is blue bar, okay? Topmost blue bar of the Microsoft Word window is known as the title bar. The topmost blue bar is known as the title bar. Topmost blue bar of the Microsoft Word is known as the title bar. Clear? Next, resizing a window. Resizing a window. These three buttons is known as the control button. These three buttons are known as the control button. It is close button, resize button and restore down button. You can say, or this one minimize. Okay? Resizing a window, we can change the size of window. If we want to change the size of window, then you can do it. How you can do it? Look at the control buttons at the top right. Look at the control Microsoft Word is known as the title bar. So the topmost blue bar is known as the title bar, and you get the control buttons. These three are control buttons at the top right corner of the title bar. So this is called close button. It is close button, close button, restore down, and this is minimize, minimize button, close button, restore down, and this is minimize button. These three buttons are known as control button. Click on the middle button, restore down. Click on the middle button, restore down button. It means restore down. The word window will become smaller in size. If you want to decrease the size of your Microsoft Word, then you can decrease. You can do small. How you can do? You have to click on the restore down. After that, the word window will become smaller in size. Again, click on the middle. Again, you have to, if you want to do its normal size, then again you have to click on maximize button. This maximize button, then you will get back its normal size. Again, click on the middle maximize button to get back to its normal size. If you want to do your window smaller in size, then you can do how? You have to click on restore down button. You have to click on restore down button, then your Microsoft Word window will become smaller in size. If you want to get back to its normal size, then you can click on maximize button. It means when you will get smaller window, then there is maximize button at the middle of the control button. Okay, you have to click on that. Again, you will get back its normal size. Is it clear? So today you have to learn how to start a program and resizing a window, and what I taught you in previous class, that is how to start a computer, desktop, icons and taskbar. You have to revise it. Okay? Thank you.